1 million channel views. Hi. What are y'all doing? I'm doing nothing because I'm bored. I'm bored. I like cheese. Do you like cheese? Because I really like cheese. Cheese is good. It is good, man. It is good. I'm going to blow a bubble. Watch. Oh. Hold on. My tongue got through it too much. Hold on. That didn't work. Hold on. My gum! In 2 seconds. Best record I've ever had, buddy. You, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Shiver tune up like a NASCAR pit stop. Hey, guess what? I made my own music video to Crawl by Chris Brown. I heard this new song is. We crawl till we can walk again, and we run till we're strong enough to jump, and we fly till we... I'm sorry. I just ate Taco Mac, and I had nachos. I'm sorry. Well, I'm a gentleman, so I must say the magic word. Excuse me, please. Thank you. Yeah. Do you know where the Chinese food place is?
Huh?
Huh?
Who?
Who?
Who is this?
The Chinese food place.
No, I don't know.
You don't know?
No, who are you looking for?
I'm looking for the nearest Chinese food place.
Oh, you got the wrong number, man.
You know what attention is? The number? That lady shut me down. R-E-J-E-C-T-E-D. Rejected. No. Rejected. Rejected. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Who's this?
This is Robert.
Who?
Robert.
Robert.
Yeah, who is this?
This is Terry. Did you dial the wrong number, Robert?
I think so.
Yeah, I think you did too. Try again, buddy, okay?
Okay.
Have a good day.
You too. God bless. He was nice. That wasn't really a prank call. I felt bad for the old man. I hope I get not an old lady, but a lady. Like, I want to get a teenage girl. I want to see what happens. I'll be like, hey, it's Christian Beatles.